Good morning students. Welcome to online class. Write down problem number 13. No need of problem number 12. Leave it. In the last class problem number 10 no problem number 11 completed. Write down problem number 13. Leave problem number 12. So write the problem and draw the diagram. What is the problem? In the given figure AB parallel CD, angle APQ equal to 50, angle PRD equal to 127, find x and y. So what is given in the problem? AB and CD, they are parallel to each other. Angle APQ equal to 50, angle PRD equal to 127, find x and y. So what are the angles in the diagram? Number 1, 50 exterior angle. For the triangle PQR is a triangle. 50 is exterior angle, y is interior angle, x is interior angle, 127 is exterior angle. So they are the different angles in the diagram. So PQR is a triangle. Generally triangle is visible to you. Two lines are parallel to each other. AB parallel to CD. What are the angles in the diagram? 50 degrees, y degrees, x degrees, 127 degrees. They are different angles in the diagram. So write what is given first. What is given? AB parallel CD. AB parallel CD, comma, angle APQ equal to 50 degrees, comma, angle PRD equal to 127 degrees. Then what we need to find out? X equal to question mark, y equal to question mark. So AB parallel CD, angle APQ. See that angle, top angle 50 degrees. It lies outside the triangle. Angle PRD 127 degrees. It lies exterior of the triangle. Find the values of x and y. X how much? Y how much? Find out. Okay, number 1. From the diagram, write the solution. From the diagram, AB, see the diagram, AB parallel CD, AB parallel CD, comma. So which one is a transversal? Which one is a transversal? When parallel line is there, we think about transversal. PQ is a transversal. PQ is a transversal. From the diagram, AB parallel CD, comma, PQ is a transversal. So what is there in the diagram? AB parallel CD, comma, PQ is a transversal. Then what are the angles equal? X equal to 50 degrees. Why they are equal? What is the reason? Because AB parallel CD, PQ is a transversal. X lies right side of the transversal. 50 lies inside of the, left side of the transversal. Okay, na? They are not adjacent angles. Both are interior angles. X and 50, they are interior angles. Number 1. Number 2, either side of the transversal. X lies right side of the transversal. 50 lies left side of the transversal. They are not adjacent. So they are what type of angles? Interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. Therefore x equal to 50 degrees. So x value completed. X equal to 50 degrees. This is the first part of the problem. AB parallel CD, PQ is a transversal, X and 50 are equal. Why they are equal? What is the reason? Because they are interior alternate angles. I told the reason also. X value 50. Then what is Y value? We need to find out. What is Y value? We need to find out. Okay, now again, second part of the problem. From the diagram, see the diagram again. AB parallel CD, AB parallel CD, comma, PR is a transversal. PR is a transversal. AB parallel CD, comma PR is a transversal. Then what are the angles equal? See the diagram. Y plus 50 together. Y and 50 together. See that angle. This is 50, this is Y. Total angle Y plus 50 equal to 127 degrees. What is the reason? Okay, na? Observe the angles. Y plus 50, they lie on left side of the transversal. 127, they lie on right side of the transversal. Both are interior angles. They are not adjacent. Why they are equal? Interior alternate angles. That is the only reason. Y plus 50 together they form interior angle. 127. Okay, na? It is also interior angle. They lie on either side of the transversal. Both are not adjacent. Such type of angles are known as interior alternate angle. Y plus 50 equal to 127. Y equal to 127 minus 50. Y equal to 77 degrees. What is Y value? 77. Therefore, X equal to 50. Y equal to 77. X equal to 50, Y equal to 77. So AB parallel CD, second part of the problem, finding Y value. AB parallel CD, PR is a transversal. Y plus 50 equal to 127, plus 50 is moving to right side. Y equal to 127 minus 50. Y equal to 77. Therefore, X how much? 50, Y how much? 77. Write down. Leave problem number 14, no need. That is about corresponding angles and alternate angles. No need of that. Write down problem number 15. In problem number 15, three diagrams are there. In every diagram, we need to find out X value or sometimes Y value. Okay, now write the problem first. In the figures given below, AB parallel CD, EF is a transversal intersecting AB and CD at G and H respectively. Find the values of X and Y and give reasons also. See the first diagram. This is the first diagram. This is the second diagram and this is the third diagram. Three diagrams are there in the problem. We need to find out X value, sometimes Y value in the diagram. Okay, now. So see the first diagram. What are the angles in the diagram and what is there in the first diagram? AB parallel CD, EF is the transversal. Two angles, three angles, totally three angles are visible to you. First one 2xy, third one 3x. In the second diagram, again AB parallel CD, EF is the transversal. Again two angles are there. Third one, AB parallel CD, EF is the transversal. Again two angles are there. Okay, na? So that is about the diagram. Then we will do the problem. Given AB parallel CD, AB parallel CD, EF is a transversal. EF is a transversal intersecting AB and CD at G and H respectively. Okay, na? So this is the information we know. Then we will do first one. See the first one. AB parallel CD, comma EF is a transversal. See the diagram. AB parallel CD, comma EF is a transversal. See the diagram. AB parallel CD, comma EF is a transversal. Okay, na? So from the diagram, this one from diagram. So diagram plays an important role in finding X value and Y value. Then what we need to write? See top angles. What are the top angles? 2x. What is 2x? Exterior angle. Plus what is Y? Interior angle. They are adjacent and see totally together they form what type of shape? Protractor shape. See they are adjacent angles and protractor shape is there. You know total how much? 180. What is the reason? Linear pair. How it is 180? Reason 2x plus y equal to 180. How it is 180? because they are adjacent angles. Together they form protractor shape, means it is 180. So 2x plus y equal to 180, first equation. First one completed. Now let us see second one. See same diagram, second one. Again, no need to write again. AB parallel CD, EF is a transversal. Then what are the angles equal? Y and 3x are equal. Why they are equal? Because both are interior angles. Number 2, they are not adjacent. Number 2, they are not adjacent. Number 3, they lie on either side of the transversal. Why they are equal? Interior alternate angle. Second equation. What is first equation? 2x plus y equal to 180. First equation. What is second equation? Y equal to 3x. Why they are equal? Interior alternate angle. Second equation. Okay now. Then put 2 in 1. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2x plus what is y value? 3x equal to 180. 2x plus 3x equal to 180. 5x equal to 180. 5x equal to 180. X equal to 180 by 5. Cancellation. X equal to 36. Okay now. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. What we get? What is equation 1? 2x. What is equation 2? Y value 3x. So y is there. Y is replaced by 3x. Totally 5x equal to 180. X equal to 180 by 5, 36. Now we need to find out y value. Put. Then find out y value. Put y equal to x equal to 36 in equation 2. What is equation 2? Y equal to 3 into 36. Y equal to 108 degrees. Y equal to 3x. 3 into what is x value? 36. 3 into 36 how much? 108. Therefore x equal to 36. Y equal to 108. This is first one. See the second one. So put x equal to 36 in equation 2. What is y value? Y equal to 3 into 36. 3 into 36 how much? 108. X value 36, y value 108. See the second one. Second diagram. Again write the pattern. AB parallel CD, comma EF is a transversal. EF is a transversal. AB parallel CD, EF is a transversal. Then what are the angles equal? 2x plus 15 equal to 3x minus 20. Reason why they are equal? First property. One angle is exterior, other angle is interior. First one. Number 2, they lie on the same side of the transversal. Number 3, they are not adjacent. Such type of angles are known as corresponding angles. Then 15 is moving to right side, 3x is coming to left side. Then 2x, then it is moving minus 3x, signs it change. Already minus 20 is there, plus 15 becomes minus 15. Subtract minus x, minus 35. Minus minus cancel. X value 35. See again, second diagram. Second diagram, what are the angles? 2x plus 15 is exterior angle. 3x minus 20 is interior angle. They lie on the same side of the transversal. They are not adjacent. Such type of angles are known as corresponding angles. Okay now. So plus 3x is moving to left side. Plus 15 is moving to right side. Signs change. Subtract. What we get? Minus x equal to minus 35. X equal to 35. See the third one. Third sum. Third one. Okay now. AB parallel CD, comma EF is a transversal. EF is a transversal. Then what are the angles? 4x minus 23 plus 3x equal to 180. What is the reason? 4x minus 23 is what? Interior angle. 3x is what? Interior angle. They lie on the same side of the transversal. So automatically sum 180. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. That is the reason. Add 4x, 3x, 7x minus 23, 180. 7x equal to 180 plus 23. Minus 23 becomes plus 23. 7x equal to 203. X equal to 203 by 7. How much? 29. X value how much? 29. See again. Dot diagram. 4x minus 23. Interior angle. 3x interior angle. They lie on the same side of the transversal. Their sum is 180. Because what is the reason? Interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Add 7x minus 23 equal to 180. Minus 23 becomes plus 23. 7x equal to 203. Cancellation. X equal to 203 by 7. Cancellation. X equal to 29. Okay na? So x value 29. In the next class we continue the remaining sums. Thank you students.